Okay, so supposing that I wanted to do 10.1 number 61, which says, if you have r of x is 3x cubed minus 4x squared, and q of x is unknown, but you know that q of r of x is 8 raised to the x cubed over 16 raised to the x squared.
Yeah.
So can you just plug in the 3x cubed minus 4x squared into the x's and the exponents?
Well, yeah.
No.
Oh, well, no.
They want you to know, what did you do to get from here to there? Right? Because you did something to this formula. Like you fed 3x cubed minus 4x squared into some function, and you got out this thing. Okay.
Wow.
Which presumably is panic inspiring at the least, right?
It's just
That's pretty exciting.
Okay, so I would say this. Where did the x's end up?
in the exponents.
The x's ended up in the exponent. Did the exponents from r change in some way?
No, I mean,
The
the
powers
exponents are the
didn't
same.
change.
The numbers.
Yeah, the numbers went away, but somehow the x cubed got up here, right?
Yeah.
And somehow the x squared got down there up here, right?
Yes.
And the numbers sort of went away. Okay, so let me think about this thing a little bit. As Connor says, whispers over there in the corner, 2 cubed makes 8,
Yeah, that's exactly.
right? So that top is 2 cubed to the x cubed. You guys see that?
And then when you do a negative x.
On the- Oh yeah, and on the bottom you've got 2 to the fourth to the x squared.
Yeah.
And then you're kind of looking at this and you're thinking,
How did that happen?
Oh.
How did that get down there? Well, negative exponents looking at the
Neg-
bottom.
yeah, like negative exponents put things in the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So maybe if that one had a negative exponent, if only the x squared piece had oh,
It does.
it does have a negative on it. You guys see that?
Fair.
So here I'm thinking like, okay, there's my 3x cubed, check. There's my 4x squared, check. There's my negative exponent, check.
And all you did,
Now, what did I actually do?
put 2 as the coefficient of the, not coefficient, but the base power.
Yeah, you put that stuff in the exponent of a 2,
Yeah.
right? So your q of x function is just 2 to the
X.
x.
Oh.
Okay, see that? That's a little tricky to see.
Good job.
Right, that's one of those things that you're going to fiddle with for a minute and then be like,
That'll be really nice.
huh. Yeah, that's one that you might fiddle with for a little while.